Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, now the reason that we use the $25 business is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income, which is insane. And I think you guys should at least get that system just to be able to promote it, because that's a fantastic deal. So anyway guys, if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results here. Looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday, but we're going to refresh the page to show you guys real results. I want to make sure I show real results to you. Okay. Okay, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. It's totally fine and not a big deal. So the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to get your link. And this is the link that I personally use. I just want to show you guys the link I use. Use any one of these and I think it'll work out fine. Just the one I use personally, I like to use, and it's been working for me. Alright guys, so first we got to get you your link. You should go to the description of my video here and it should take you down, and when you see down there you should see incomespeech.com. Easy link, you just click on it or type it in, it don't matter, it'll take you to this page here. Now, this page is basically the sales letter of the $25 business. Basically it's a funnel builder and it's $25 per month, and it's pretty unlimited in what you could do with the funnel builder. You can have as many pages you want, stuff like that. And if anybody ever built a funnel builder or use funnel builders, know that that's a really good deal, right? So anyway guys, and also the affiliate system here, you can get $20 to $100 monthly commissions for each customer you refer. That means you can get up to $120 with each customer every month, guys. It's fantastic. So anyway, you just click on yes I want in. Once you decide, hey, I want to try this out, you put in your information here, blah blah blah, you know, basic stuff, and you just click on the green button here, order. Right now, one thing I want to speak on is this right here. This is HBA Premium. Now if you're using my link, you'll get this pop up, and when this pops up, it's basically HBA Premium for free for 2 weeks, and that's going to be your training. That's going to be your traffic conversions, or YouTube, how to set up a YouTube channel or Instagram or whatever. It's constantly updated based on rules and stuff, how rules and stuff change on Instagram, TikTok, whatever it may be, right? And you also get an AI content creation machine, which will help you come up with content for your channel and page or whatever it may be. Get you going, and you can make some money coming in that way. And yeah, that's not what we're doing, but I'm just saying that'll help you immensely. And the coolest part about having HBA Premium is that you get paid. If you get a sale with HBA Premium, you get the money, even though you don't technically own the product, which is fantastic and really cool. So anyway guys, get that. It's free when you click on my link. Alright, so anyway, once you do that guys, just sign in. You know, all the stuff you know about signing in, basic stuff. There's videos explaining everything as well. It's very easy to get your link. All right, once you get your link though, you need to promote it, and that's where we're going to differ from other people. So I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to promote this product that I ever found. It's simple, and honestly you could do it in 30 seconds a day. All right, 30 seconds a day. All you gotta do, click on my second link there. It's going to take you to My Lead Gen Secrets. All right guys, it's going to take you to this My Lead Gen Secrets. You click on, and what My Lead Gen Secrets is, okay, is that you get 100 leads per day that you can mail once per day. All right, and it slowly adds up to more and more leads. So oops, I clicked on the wrong thing there. Go to click on mailing system, click on all your leads here, and don't worry about how many leads you got. I promise you it don't really matter. One thing about these leads is that they're very cold leads, and they're interested in making money, but they're very cold. So kind of got to build them up to get them to sell for you. But anyway, we're gonna use an email from ChatGPT, and we're gonna just replace this email with whatever ChatGPT tells us to do. So we're gonna do that real quick. So we're just gonna ask it to make another email here. With no emoji. But it can't use emojis. That GPT like to add emojis. It's making the same email. There we go. That's better. All right, so this is what we're gonna copy this. Copy the title here. Gonna change that to $13.5. Right. No, that's not. Okay. $15.5. Right. Gonna do that. 15.5. Now what we're gonna do here, copy the rest of these. Boom. Copy this. Paste the like boom, boom, boom. Now the first thing we want to do is put our link. So we just copy our link, copy. Boom, like that. This right here. Hold it. Click on the post. All right, simple as that. Now we got a link in, and we delete this. We also delete all of this. All right, guys. What else we want to do? Isolate that and underline it. I'm gonna isolate this right here. I'm gonna bold it. Bold. I'm gonna change this. What I got in the title. Boom. Now done. That's how simple it is, guys. Do that every day and you're fine. And ChatGPT wrote the whole thing. Very simple. Send this email. Make sure you click on perfect timing. They're going to send an email around the time people get email. Make sure that your link works. Boom. My link does work. And I send an email. We done. That's it. It's over. And you do that every morning and you'll make money, guys. You'll make money. This is my worst account. And I'm making money with it. All right, I use my worst account for this channel, just to kind of, I want to make sure that you guys can make money with this method. And if my worst account can make money with this method, then I think whatever account you guys get. Because one thing I noticed about my lead gen secrets, I have 10 accounts, is that certain accounts perform better than others. I noticed one of my newer accounts, all of my newer accounts perform better than this account, for example. That's why I say don't worry about what your how many people you can mail. Don't worry about your leads, how many leads you got. Don't really need to worry about that. You can get sales from nothing, and like my best account can get $5,000 a month. Crazy. So yeah, it just depends on the account you get. It's something I've noticed. That's what you notice when you get more than one account. So if my worst account works, then your account is most likely to work as well. That's what I'm trying to say. But anyway, guys, one more thing I want to mention is that to make money online, there's only one real thing you need to do, and that's consistency. You need to do it over and over and over again without stopping. As soon as you start stopping, you start losing money. So you keep posting and keep posting. Don't give up. Keep posting, keep posting. Don't worry about how good your posts are. Don't worry about if it's catchy enough or anything like that. Your SEO right. All that stuff. Don't worry about it. Just keep posting. As long as you keep posting, you'll eventually get to it. All right, guys. So make sure to do that. Make sure to consistently keep trying. All right. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.